What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you are new here, do me a favor, click the like button, hit subscribe, and click that bell to turn on post notifications so that you are alerted anytime I post new videos. So this video, I want to give you some perspective from someone who's been in the crypto markets for, was it 5 years now? I think in a previous video I said 4, but 5.5 going on 6 years. I've seen some things and thought I would share with you my thoughts if I were starting right now, if here in 2022 if I were just starting out into crypto, what are some of the things that I would do? What are some of the first things that I would do? And I'm even surprising myself, actually, because there's a lot that I would do the same, right? So the first account that I created was actually a Coinbase account. This was before they had an app, January 2017. I'm in my bedroom on the Safari browser on my iPhone, and I purchased my first complement of Bitcoin using the Coinbase website, and I used a Citibank MasterCard. So that I would do again. What I would change, though, is during that session, I looked at Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. I would have purchased all of them if I were, if I knew then what I know now. So starting out, if I were starting today, my initial purchase would be for some amount of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and now Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, and the Near protocol. I'd probably also pick up some stacks. The first non-custodial wallet I created, Coinbase being custodial, that means that Coinbase owns the private key. The first non-custodial wallet that I created was on Blockchain.info. It's now Blockchain.com, and that too I would do again. If I were starting today, I would go over to Blockchain.com and I would create a non-custodial wallet via that interface. They now have a mobile app as well. I'd install that mobile app and I would set up a linkage between Blockchain.com and a bank account. I would then buy some USDC or some USDP on Blockchain.com, and I would place it in their earning protocol. Right now, you can earn 13.5% APY on your money on Blockchain.com. If I were starting today, I'd do that right now. I actually use Blockchain.com to this day, and I am using that platform to earn passively on some USDC, USDP, as well as Stellar. So if you are just starting out, go do those things. You won't regret it. What else would I do if I were just starting out? So if I were just starting out today, I would also go over to OKCoin.com and I would create a profile there, set up my account, go through the verification, level 1, level 2, and I would buy some UST. That is a stable coin on the Terra blockchain, and I would place that UST in the earning protocol on OKCoin, currently paying 19.75% APY. So you're getting the theme here, and there's a lot more that I could talk about, but this video is getting kind of long, so I'll sum it up here. Here in 2022 is a better time than there's ever been to start your journey in crypto. There's tons of opportunity for you to earn passively on your assets, create passive income, and begin to change your financial outlook for the better. There is a learning curve, but it's much easier than it was in 2017. This is a technology that I think everyone ought to be aware of, ought to be exposed to. It is game-changing, and for the persistent and consistent and patient and studious, it can be life-changing. I am a firm believer in that, and I hope that as you explore this space more deeply, you become as engaged, as enthralled, as enamored, and as focused as I am. And I wish you all the best in your crypto endeavors. That'll wrap it up for this video. Hope you're doing well. Stay safe, and you will see me in the next video.